Vocabulary plus conversation about birthday party decoration. First one is balloons. Next is streamers. Next is curtain or backdrop. Next is confetti. Next is table centerpieces. Next is props. Next is blower noise maker. Next is party masks. Next is cupcake stand. Next is birthday cake stand. Next is cake topper. Next is string lights. Next is birthday banner. Next is birthday candles. Last one is birthday caps. Let's see how to use these vocabularies in daily life conversation.
Hey Ritu, have you thought about the decorations for your birthday party?
Not really, I'm not sure what to do. Do you have any ideas?
Well, it depends on the theme of the party. Are you planning to have a theme or just a general celebration?
I was thinking just a general celebration with some balloons and streamers.
That sounds fun. You can never go wrong with balloons and streamers. What colors were you thinking of using?
I was thinking of using pink and purple, my favorite colors.
Great choice. You could also add some confetti and a happy birthday banner to make it even more festive.
I love the idea of confetti. Should we put it on the tables or on the floor?
Both would look great. You could also add some centerpieces to the tables, like a vase of flowers or a photo of yourself.
I like the idea of a photo of myself. That would be a fun way to decorate.
And if you want to go all out, you could even get some party favors for your guests.
Wow, those sound amazing. I think I'll stick to the basic decorations for this year, but I'll definitely keep those ideas in mind for next year's party.
I'm sure your party will look great with the decorations we've discussed.